Hello there, welcome to the potting shed. It's quite nippy in here actually, you can see my breath. So this video is going to be about composting. The main reason is because of the rising costs I think we're going to be looking at this year and the next few years, and rising energy costs. There's the general doom and gloom. So I'm going to show you my composting area. I've rejigged it today, and I'm just going to show you my setup and a few tips, etc., to make your own compost. So this is my area. It's at the back of my garden. The reason is because I've got easy access to it. I can regularly see to the composting area and turn it as well, whereas I've got a Dalek at the allotment which I just leave alone. I never get a chance to turn that, so it's just where I dump stuff at the allotment. So here we have an area here with the Daleks and the bags. This is all wood chip that I received yesterday. So this is all fresh stuff, so I need to give it a good year before I can start incorporating it into the compost. So that's why I've left it in these Daleks and these bags as well. That's one thing as well, which is a good tip with your composting bags. And then if you like collect manure, which is what I do, just keep hold of your bags. The bags are really useful. You'll always need bags, especially when you go to collect manure, wood chip, etc., just to store things in temporarily. So what I've also done is I've created these two beds, cheap and cheerful really, but it works. So at the bottom I've got two scaffolding planks, so they're quite substantial. There you go. And these are just gravel boards, so these are slats, so when I go to turn the compost I can just remove them, easy access to it, and then I can turn it over quite easily, quite regularly as well. So yeah, so that's what I would do. I would just build your beds, make slats. So cheap wood as well. You don't want to be spending a lot of money on fancy compost bins. The wood doesn't last. So just get gravel boards, planks, anything free, pallets. So I've turned this bay over today into here, and then underneath here I've loads collected compost, cardboard as well. This is my cardboard area, and then underneath this is all my leaf mould as well. So next year that would have rotted down nicely. And then this is leaf mould. It's 2 years old. It's mixed with topsoil and then old spent compost. So this is what I'm going to be using for my carrots. So I'll fill tubs with it, and I'll also put it into the patch at the allotment. But it's nice stuff. It's perfect for carrots. So yeah, this is my compost area. It's just started raining, so I'll go inside. So see you later.